Hey, this video is on how to unstick your vise. If your vise is stuck, like if this won't rotate anymore on that, and then this is stuck too. So I got a couple tips here. So I'm gonna get this thing unstuck, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mount it to this table too. This is a really nice old vise here. It says number 5177. It almost looks like inch marks there, but it could be pound. But I do know it's made in Japan, and this thing is held up quite a bit. I used it for a long time and then it sat, so then it got stuck. So what I'm gonna do, this thing is stuck and then this is stuck too as far as the rotation goes. So I put one coat of oil on there. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again, and then go ahead and what I'm using here is this this Hops number 9. This is for guns, but I'm gonna go ahead and lube that up, lube this up here, and I'm gonna let it sit. You can also buy penetrating oil that'll do the same thing, like Kroll. Kroll is another brand, Kroll. That'll do the trick too, but I happen to have this Hops number 9 laying around. See if it'll do the trick. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more here on the bottom of this as well. See that screw right there? That's where I want to put it, is down right in there. Right, it gets down in that threaded area. See if we can get this thing to move now. You can see I've tweaked on this a little bit, and I bent it, which I don't like because I want to keep this thing, you know, in its original form as much as possible. All right, I'm gonna let that oil sit on there for a little bit and then come back in a few minutes and see if we can get that to move. Okay, now I want to make sure we're turning this the right way. So got it this way. That means it's going to turn that way to loosen it up. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice, that thing hasn't moved in a long time. Very happy about that. Let's see if this base will move as well. Oh yeah, yep, all right, look at that. That's the trick. There we go. Sweet, now I can use it a whole bunch. I'm gonna wipe that oil down off of there and get this thing mounted to the table. Now for mounting this to the table, this thing's pretty thick. If you watch my other video on this, I built this table out of an old bowling lane. So it's pretty thick. I mean, that's how thick it is. So all I'm gonna do now is just make a mark down here. I'm gonna put these 2 holes in here like that. So I'm gonna make a mark there and where the other hole goes, and then just drill it. And then I'll worry about this one last. Okay, I got the holes marked, but I'm gonna leave it in place as much as I can. All right, so now I need to go find some fasteners that are gonna fit that hole and then also fit all the way down through the bottom of the table. So they gotta be long enough too. All right, I got the bolts I need for this. Grab a couple more washers, that way I can put a washer up top and then a washer down below as well. Okay, got my cordless drill ready to go. And I got the right size drill bit. Just about the same size as that bolt. Okay, I still need to drill this 3rd hole here. So for now, I'm just gonna pop these screws down in there for placeholders, or just to kind of hold it in place. There we go. And now I'll twist it, mark, and drill that one. Okay, got all 3 holes drilled. Put these in all 3 holes there. Okay, now from underneath all these, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 nuts and 3 washers, 1 on each. All right, I ended up going with some longer bolts there. Same size, but a little bit longer. Found some old bolts in my collection. It's one of those things I'm glad I hung on to it for use at a later date. But anyway, got this thing all tightened down, ready to go. Go ahead and lock it in there. Now I got a fully functioning and mounted vise. Very happy about that. right. Thank you guys for watching.